Hi, we are going to see how EasyDocs AI platform can be used across the domains for processing large volume of documents like invoices, receipts, delivery notes, bill of lading, and so on. In finance and accounting department of organizations, over 50% of invoices are still being received via email and get printed. Over 45% organizations rely on manual processing for an approval. Manual invoice processing results in higher operational cost. Rework results in longer processing time, payment of invoices, and poor visibility to the stakeholders. Each vendor has its own invoice format, making it impossible to use a templatized solution for automation. EasyDocs AI platform solves this problem by improving over 60% productivity. Processing cycle time is around 30 seconds per invoice. EasyDocs platform is template free and works perfectly on any format of invoices. How does the AI platform work? Invoices in native PDF, scanned PDF, image format are imported into the platform with the help of a job processing engine. Auto classification of the documents is done using classification engine. The extraction engine automatically extracts meaningful data from the documents. Auto validation and auto correction of the data are done as applicable. The data extracted with a high confidence score is considered for straight-through processing. For the data extracted with low confidence score, at step number 5, for the first time human in the loop comes into the picture. EasyDocs user interface makes verification easy due to color coding based on the confidence score. Final data is then exported to the core business system for payment. Let's see EasyDocs in action for invoice processing.
Here is a sample invoice to be processed. Let's import a similar invoice into the EasyDocs AI platform. This is how you can manually upload a single or multiple invoices into the platform. You can select a project or a workspace, select the invoices to be imported, and click on Upload Files. Multiple invoices get auto-imported through a job processing engine. The imported documents are automatically processed and meaningful data is extracted. The non-STP invoices are made available in the to-do list of an authenticated operational user in the EasyDocs user interface. EasyDocs also supports hierarchy of users like maker and checker. Operational user verifies the extracted information by selecting a particular invoice. Extracted information is presented on the left side, while the right panel displays the original invoice. Extracted fields are color-coded based on the confidence score using green, orange, and red for high, medium, and low confidence respectively. This helps the user to verify the invoices faster, as the user can just focus on orange and red fields. Let's click on a field and see how easy it is to verify and update if required. So cool, isn't it? Depending on the hierarchy, the same user approves the invoice or it goes to the next user for approval. In this way, large volume of documents can be processed with enhanced productivity, user experience with higher accuracy, reduced cycle time and cost.
EasyDocs AI platform is cloud agnostic and can also be deployed on customer premise. Pricing model is easy, which is subscription based, and we also offer document verification as a service. Thank you. Please get in touch with us for further details.